Hey, you guys. Great day, great day, great day. Come on in, come on in. Great day. I am super excited for this word. God is speaking, and we are listening. If we have sense, we listening. If we have wisdom, we're listening. I'm listening, okay? Come on in, you guys. Come on in. I'm going to go ahead and share. I'm going to share. Let me add to my story. Let me share to some groups. All right, you guys. Come on in, come on in. Let me know who's here and where you're tuning in from. Let me know who's here and where you're tuning in from. Let me send these messages out. Y'all bear with me. All right. Hey, hey, hey. Great day, April. Hey, Christina. So good to see you. You all do me a favor. Make sure you share so that people can know that the word is coming forth. I'm going to share on IG. All right. Great morning, you guys. Let me know who's here and where you're tuning in from. Let me know who's here and where you are tuning in from. I'm excited about this word because it is a word of endurance. It's a word of endurance. Um, Many times we find ourselves facing obstacles, and some obstacles are harder than others for us, right? For me, I do not like the cold. I don't like being cold. I don't like the cold. I like it when it's hot. Okay. So cold um agitates me. It agitates my joints. It agitates me. I don't like being cold. I gotta be warm, right? Well, I'm telling you that we're in a season where, both in the natural and in the spirit, where we're going to encounter some things that we do not like. And the key is, if you know it's coming, prepare for it. You know it's going to be cold, you better dress warmly, put on more layers, because it's easier to take things off than to not have them on. Put on more layers if that's what you must do, but do not let the cold wind stop you. The wind has a purpose, and every purpose that it has must be fulfilled. So if You don't like cold wind. You need to dress warmly because the wind is going to come. The wind is going to come. There's some things that's going to come into your life. They're coming. It's coming. So instead of saying, God, please just don't let it come, prepare for it. Ask him to give you the strength, the ability, and the endurance to deal with it, to be victorious in the midst of it, and to overcome it. We want things to be easier. No, we've got to become better. But many times, instead of becoming better, we become bitter. We're bitter that we've got to go through this. We're bitter that we got to go through that. Well, y'all, I came to tell you that there's some things that you can only get to when you go through. There's some things that you can only get to when you go through. The question is, do you want what's on the other side enough to go through what you have to go through, to encounter what you have to encounter, regardless of whether you like it or it makes you uncomfortable or whether it stretches you? Are you willing to do that? Yes, Brother Dale. We just got off a trading session, and we were talking about this $50 trading plan that we're doing. It is a seed plan where you plant a seed and then you work and watch the seed grow. And I was showing him the numbers, and it doesn't mean that it's going to be just like that or anything like that, but these are our goals. We have daily goals. We have a goal for the month, right? And so we know what our goals are. If you have a plan and you have the goals, then the question is, do you want it enough to go through everything that you got to go through in order to get to the other side? And that's where we struggle many times. We don't want it badly enough. We say we do, but we don't. And do you know how I know we don't? Because we're not willing to do the work. We're not willing to get uncomfortable. We're not willing to go through. We can't say we want to lose weight, but we won't do anything to help us lose weight. Now, you're just lying to yourself. Now, you may want to, but you don't want it badly enough to make the changes and make the adjustments. That's why, y'all, listen, let me tell y'all something. That's why this next 90 days, I am not to be played with, baby. I'm here to tell you, I'm serious about everything that God has assigned me to do. I'm serious about everything God has assigned me to do. And I'm all in. And God has me in a place of preparation because there will be obstacles. You're going to encounter obstacles. You will. Like, come on, y'all. Y'all know. And you know what your obstacles are. You know what your challenges are because you've run into them before. So I know for me, one of my challenges is remembering to do things. So now I have to do things in a way that it's built into my day so that I won't forget. So I know that even if I take my shot in the morning, I'm probably going to forget my sprays. And so what I have to do is now I have to do my shots and my sprays at the same time. Like I just got to, right? So cheers. Here's to being alive. Here's to boosting the immune system. Here's to experiencing the fullness of all that God has to offer in terms of our health. My God. Oh my God. But I can't stop there. I got to go ahead. I got to do my sprays. So we're doing a 90-day physical transformation challenge starting today. Hey, Rotunda. It's starting today. We're going to have an orientation tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Oh my goodness. Yeah, 8 p.m. Eastern, 7 p.m. Central. We've got a trainer. She's going to be sharing. We've got meal plans. We've got someone who helps you with your exercises to create a plan specific to you, right? And we're finding out our body type. One of the things that I know is that a lot of times we have a one-size-fits-all approach, which does not work because there are certain things that you need based on your body type. Shout out to Christina. Christina took her body type quiz. Woo! Christina, I've got a prize for you for being the first person to take your body type quiz. You'll be getting the results of that today. Listen, I'm here to tell you, this is a season of action. It's a season of action, even when you're uncomfortable. It's a season of movement. That's what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and do my sprays. Let me tell y'all something about these sublingual sprays and how I know they work, right? I had blood work done, right? So, I would take the Empowered, and to be honest with you, I probably took too much Empowered. Anyway, I know I did, because 93%. Hey, Michelle, good to see you, gorgeous. I ain't seen you in a long time. Listen, normally my B12 would be low. Normally it would be low. But because this sublingual spray allows 93% absorption of what's in it, my B12 was high, right? So I had to stop taking it for a while, so that I could, get my B12 levels back down some. Because listen, y'all, it works because it's going directly into your bloodstream, because it's sublingual, and you take it under your tongue. 8 sprays under your tongue, hold it for 5 seconds. Empowered is designed to give you energy and boost your B12. Gives you energy. Like, this is so when you do the Alive and the Empowered, baby, it gets you right? The next thing I'm going to take is my Crave. Crave helps to suppress your appetite. Now I'm back on my intermittent fasting, so I need my appetite suppressed, right? I need my appetite suppressed. I'm doing 16 hours fasting, 8 hours of eating. That means that I shut off my eating at 8 o'clock, and I eat again around noon. Or, I shut off my eating at 7 and I eat at so however I'm going to do it, that's when I have to cut off my eating. So I just know that I got changes to make. 8 sprays of the Crave, my appetite suppressant, and it really does work. Hold 5 seconds and then swallow. All right, y'all. So listen, I'm also going to go ahead and do my vision. Okay. Listen, this is the beautiful thing. Today is the last day of our Black Friday sale. Today's the last day of our Black Friday sale. And you literally can get everything that you need for this challenge. The first 30 days, you can get everything you need for $100 plus tax. No shipping. You get free shipping. I'm talking about, you get a large bottle of the Alive Apple Cinnamon, a large bottle of the Alive Applebee's Cherry, and a large bottle of the Alive Skin and Beauty, which is the liquid collagen that I'm getting ready to take now, right? Collagen is important in the winter, especially because of, if you have any arthritis, any joint things, anything where there's inflammation in your body. The collagen helps with the production of collagen, because we stopped producing collagen in our 30s, right? We don't produce any new collagen. So we need that boost in our collagen. It is amazing and it tastes great. Or you can get the shots. You can get the shots for $100. You can get the shots for $100. You just won't get the sprays with that. But for $150, I can help you, y'all. And you will get the shots, the sprays, and an extra bottle of the Alive Apple Cinnamon. I'm just saying. Oh my God. Wow. For a little less $100, for as little as $50, you can start. And it'll give you about a week and a half supply of Alive, but you'll have the sprays that'll last you for 30 days. We got a package for everybody. $50 package, $75 package, $100 package. We can put a package together specifically for you. So I'm starting this today. Um, God has been very intentional about health and wealth in my life. This is a season of health and wealth, and I refuse to allow any wind, any trial, any tribulation, anything, any person, any situation, any circumstance to stop me. I have counted the cost. And what I discovered when I counted the cost was what's on the other side of the challenge is worth whatever adjustments, whatever changes I have to make. And I'll share this with you. For the 90-day physical challenge, physical transformation challenge, we're not asking you not to eat. We're not taking away things you enjoy. We're not doing that. We're not saying don't eat any carbs. We're not saying don't eat this, don't eat that. But I promise you, when you use that crave, some of the stuff you would normally eat, you're not going to have a taste for it. It's going to shift your taste buds, right? That's why these supplements are so important. So if you want to join us, you can join us without using the supplements. Just go to, let me put it up here. There's the group link. There's the group link. There's the group link. Or you can look for 90-day physical transformation group. I think it says 90-day physical transformation challenge group, right? But you can look for that and you can join us. Y'all, I refuse to allow the wind to stop me. In fact, I'm stepping into the winds of change. See, when the winds come to do something. There's something that they're sent to do, to blow something off or to blow you forward. The winds of change, whether they're cold or whether they're hot, produce change. But many times, cold winds produce even more change because we're running to get away from the cold, right? So when that cold wind hits you, you're like, whoo, whoo, let me hurry up and get to where I'm going, right? So you have a little extra incentive in where you're going. Don't allow the wind to be sent, but not produce what God sent it to produce. Don't miss that. Don't miss out on that, because I'm telling you, God has set us up. And how fitting that the challenge is starting while the company has a Black Friday sale. Now, the sale ends tonight at midnight. It ends tonight at midnight. Y'all, you want to get it. If you need to use Afterpay, we can talk about that as an option, but you want to get these supplements and you want to make a 3-month commitment, because if you make that 3-month commitment, you get to see the results on the other side of 90 days. 90 days. 90 days is not a lot. It means that we're going to close out December. We're going to go into the new year and we're going to be ready. So when Valentine's Day comes, you can be extra sexy for your boo, right? By the end of February, going into March, y'all, listen, we are in a different place and we're not trying to hurry up and create a summer body. March, April, May. Listen, we've already done a lot of work in the winter to prepare for what's coming. And that's been God's theme. God's theme has been prepare for what's coming. Prepare for what's coming. What is it that God has promised you? What is it that you know is coming that you're like, okay, I need to prepare. I need to move like it's already done, because it's already done. God's already done it. It's already worked out. It's already done in the spirit. And all we're doing is taking the necessary steps and actions that it would manifest in the natural. It's already done. It's already done. Whether we're talking about your health or we're talking about your wealth, because we're launching our 90-day $50 seed plan, right? With trading. Y'all, listen. The beautiful thing is everything is accessible and affordable. When God does that, you know it's for you to take full advantage of. Now, whether you take full advantage of it or not is up to you. But count the cost. What is the cost of staying exactly where you are? doing exactly what you're doing? Are you able to pay all your bills? Are you able to do what you want to do physically? Are you able to? Because if you're not, that's a seed. What you have is a seed. It's not the ultimate, it's a seed that must be planted in the ground so that it can produce the harvest that it was designed to produce. I'm determined. And I'm just talking about me, y'all. I'm talking about me. And I'm gonna tell you why I'm talking about me. Because I'm not going to help everybody else do it, and I'm not gonna do it, and I'm not gonna see the benefits. I'm not gonna see the change for me. Like, I've done that enough. I've helped a lot of people. I'm like, well, wait a minute, Lord. Well, hold up. Listen, this is my season. This is my season to experience the fullness of the change. This is my season. This is my season. Mine. Now, if it's your season, we can be in the season together. We can do it together because many hands make light work. Many hands make light work. If we do it together, we don't have to figure everything out by ourselves. We don't have to do everything by ourselves. We don't have to feel like we're the only ones. No, let's maximize these cold winds. Let's maximize the wind blowing at our back. Let's maximize these strong winds, these strong winter winds, and let's allow them to do what they need to do in our life. Blow off what needs to be blown off, propel us forward, and get there. Whether you're talking about your health or your wealth, or whether you're talking about both, I'm on both. Because my health is my wealth. So what? I have a lot of money, but my health is not taken care of. Good morning, sunshine. Hey, boo. Good morning. You gonna say hi? You want to say hi? Okay. Brooklyn that came in. She's just looking. Okay. Y'all, let's make some decisions and make the necessary moves. If you want to be a part of this health and wealth change process, transformation, put health and wealth. If you just want to do the health, do health, type health. If you just want to do the wealth, type wealth. But y'all, listen, you can't say that God didn't send some solutions to you. You can't say it. Hey, brother, you can't say God didn't send you some solutions. Whether we're talking about your health or whether we're talking about your wealth, He's given us a 90-day plan in each area. The question is, will you move on it? Y'all, listen, I absolutely love you guys to life and life more abundant. Have an amazing, incredible, and epic day. You guys be blessed. Mwah.